Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I got a project 250 souvenirs or traveling towels for my customers' wedding. You may consider this kind of project to be your own business, a promising business. From this project, 250 towels, I can get about more than 1 million rupiahs. At least 5 orders in a month, I could get enough to fulfill my daily needs in a month. Of course, the numbers of the orders depend on how we promote it on social media or marketplace by giving some promos or advertisements. And also, these souvenirs can be your own souvenir for your wedding or birthday or any occasions. So let's try to make it. But first, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.